It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. In fact, I have one more video for you guys. Check it out. I also got this in the mail today. Pumpkins are here. Thank God. Yankee Candle. New coupons and Pumpkin Gourmand Trilogy candle from Woodwick. This looks really good. It is pumpkin praline, pumpkin butter, and white honey. Yeah, bring it on. So I was excited about that. But we're not talking about pumpkin. We're talking about blueberry tonight. I have to review the blueberry maple pancake from Bath and Body Works. It is part of this collection. Gotta say, I do love these jars. These are wonderful. It's funny. A lot of people are saying Praline Delight is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. That one? I'm thinking I could agree on that. Because it smells familiar. It's funny, I was reading all my comments. Let me just look up Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. You think I'd have this already? Yeah, I have it already typed out. Bath and Body Works. What were the scent notes in that one? 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Does anyone remember those scent notes? Oh, look, here it is. Let me see. It's funny. These are all like on the site, but sold out. Yeah. Fresh baked cookies, a warm mug of milk with dashes of cinnamon and nutmeg. I think maybe everyone is right. And that is what Praline Delight is, which is kind of weird. You would think that they maybe would have given us like a new candle. I don't know. I still have yet to do apricot and green fig. This one actually smells new to me. I don't know if I love it though. We also have autumn chai and pumpkin cupcake and a couple more in this collection. Let me see. It's so weird. This is Canada. I was like, why is this showing up? It's sold out, of course, but it's showing the Canadian site that's where I got the scent notes. Go figure. So fall candles are actually starting to get a little bit on the low side, believe it or not. So we also have in this collection pumpkin snickerdoodle, pumpkin apple, which I really need to get the pumpkin apple because that's my favorite. I need to get that one. But right now I want to talk about blueberry maple pancakes. I have this one going for a couple hours here. Got a good wax pull. Oh my gosh, this one, you forget every year how strong this candle is. I mean, this one is like blow yourself out of the room strong. It's funny because I'm here now in my office. I had it in the living room. My husband walks in and he's like, what is that? He's like, that is really strong. I don't know if he liked it. I was like, do you like it? He's like, I don't know if I like it, but it's really strong. It is wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. The interesting thing about blueberry maple pancakes is you kind of get a mash of everything all at once. The pancake, the blueberry, and the syrup. So it's hard to discern. Like, you don't really get a maple note. You don't really get like a full-on blueberry or like pancake. It's all just mixed together into one big blob of blueberry maple pancakes, which is kind of good. It does smell, I like it. I think it smells really good. I was just looking at the recent reviews. They're pretty mixed. I feel like it's either love or hate on this one. I think my husband is in the hate group. He didn't want to admit it, but I can tell he didn't like it. I can't believe he actually done that. He's like, it smells like you're soldering something. I'm like, what? That makes no sense. I'm like, it's blueberry. He's like, I don't know. I don't like it. I'm like, okay. So yeah, he thought it smelled like solder. So he was trying to be nice and polite at first and be like, just, hey, what is that? And then he finally ended with, he did not like it. So I do like it. I do like myself a nice pile of blueberry maple pancakes. But this one's strong. It's like, this is going to fill a large room. It's going to linger after you blow it out. At least it does in my house. My husband's going to love that. And like I said, and the only thing that I don't like about it, actually there's two things. One, everything meshes together. And two, after a while, it's a little bit sickeningly sweet. I've said this for years about blueberry maple pancake, that I almost feel like it's a little bit too sweet sometimes if I'm not in the mood for that. If I'm in the, it's funny because you know me, I love sugar. We're talking about pink watermelon blast. But there's a difference between cane sugar, like sugar, like candy sugar, and syrup sweetness. And I feel like this one has just got a lot of syrup sweetness in it. And you got to be in the mood. You got to be in the mood for syrup. And sometimes I am and sometimes I'm not. So I would say 75% of the time I like this candle. I don't think it smells like anyone soldering anything. But there are a couple of times after I've had this one burning a while that I just go, you know what? I think I'm ready to move on to something else. So just be aware of that. If you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, it's a great blueberry candle to try. I certainly recommend picking this up sometime throughout the fall and seeing if you like it. But I'm going to call this one a 9.9 as far as the strength. It's a powerhouse. Mine's a powerhouse. And what do you think? I'd love to hear what everyone else thinks about blueberry maple pancakes. I'd say probably 80% of the people like this one. So there you have it. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.